In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail alias in Google Workspace. A Gmail alias is an extra email address that delivers to the same inbox as a user's primary account. It's perfect for role-based addresses like sales or info, testing new addresses without creating new licenses, or giving someone a simpler variation of their name. You do need administrator access to your organization's Google Admin Console to create one. Start by signing into the Google Admin Console. You can do this by going to the standard admin sign-in page and using your administrator account. Once you're on the Admin Console homepage, look for Directory. It's usually in the left-hand navigation or listed among the main cards. Click Directory to open the user management tools for your organization. Inside Directory, choose Users. This brings up the full list of accounts in your domain. Find the person who should receive mail at the new alias. You can scroll or use the search bar to quickly locate the account. Click the user to open their profile. You're now on the page where you manage that person's account details. In the user profile, look for the section labeled Alternate Emails or Email Aliases. This is where all additional addresses for the account live. Click the option to add alternate emails. A prompt or panel will appear where you can enter the alias. Type the alias you'd like to assign. This is the part before the @ sign. If your organization has multiple domains, make sure you choose the correct domain from the dropdown so the alias matches the right email namespace. Keep in mind that aliases must be unique and can't be in use by another user, group, or resource. Avoid special characters that aren't supported in email addresses and choose something clear and recognizable. When you're satisfied with the alias, click Save. The change is applied to the user's account. In most cases, mail to the new alias begins routing to the user's inbox right away, though it can take a few minutes to propagate across systems. If you don't see messages arriving immediately, give it a short while and try again. A few quick tips before we wrap up. An alias lets the user receive mail at that address without needing another license or mailbox. It doesn't replace the primary email, and it's best for one person's variations or role-based mail that a single user handles. For messages that multiple people need to receive, consider using a group instead. And if the user needs to send messages that show the alias in the from line, that can be configured in their Gmail settings. That's it. You've successfully created a Gmail alias in Google Workspace.